Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Ford Escape. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Next, you'll need to locate the low-pressure AC service port, which is typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. Always make sure your engine is completely off before you begin any work to prevent accidents. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe process. Once prepared, start your Ford Escape's engine and set the air conditioning to its maximum cold setting. Now, firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. Listen for a click to confirm it's securely connected. The gauge on the hose will then display the current system pressure, giving you an initial reading before adding refrigerant. With the hose connected, hold the refrigerant can upright and squeeze the trigger to begin adding the refrigerant. Rock the can gently every few seconds to ensure a steady flow into the system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, usually indicated by a green zone on the gauge. Avoid overfilling, as this can damage your AC system. After reaching the optimal pressure, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Then, turn off your engine and test the AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air effectively. Regular maintenance helps keep your AC running efficiently. For a fresh car interior, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle comfortable and smelling good makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.